Hi, this is Sohail Salahuddin of the Sohail Real Estate Group with At Properties. And in this video, I want to share with you what's going on in the summer months. And this is really a market update as we head into summer. Now, the real estate market in spring was fantastic. Low inventory, a lot of home sales, interest rates were very low. Now, as we're heading into summer, we're seeing a strong improvement in the number of sales, that have occurred from the past 3 months as we head into the June and July months. What that means to you is if you're thinking about selling or if you're thinking about buying, pull the trigger now if you're thinking about buying, because I don't know how long the interest rates are going to remain at a low place right now. If you're thinking about selling, things are selling very quickly. Take advantage, because if you procrastinate, and if you think you have time, before you know it, winter is going to be here, and you may have to wait until the following year. But then again, I'll give you another market update as we head into fall, because it could be very strong going into fall. If you want more specifics and you want me to show you the details and trends of your area, the activity, what's selling, please reach out to me. Sohail Salahuddin of the Sohail Real Estate Group at Properties.